Welcome to another video from Peter Twig Meditation. Want to know how to feel your life force, your pranamaya kosha, your vital body, your etheric? Simples. But first, let's understand what your life force is. Also known as pranamaya kosha in Sanskrit, the layer of life force, which is of course a non-physical layer of your body that permeates the trillions of cells that make up your body. This particular body is also known in other parts of the world as chi, prana, etheric or etheric body, vital body, vitality, and life force. So let's begin. Take a seated posture and make sure your back is not leaning against anything. This is important as leaning may block or inhibit the flow of energies through your body and even the experience of feeling your life force. Now we're going to gently take our hands and place them in front of ourselves, like so. Next, close your eyes. This diminishes the sensory load coming into you and opens space to feel your etheric. Gently rub your hands together and then hold them apart by about 10 centimeters. That's about 4 to 5 inches in imperial measurements. Feel your hands. You may feel some tingling, a mild vibration in your hands, and also between your hands. Also, some of you might feel some sort of force field between your hands, bumping against each other. All of those things you're feeling is your etheric body. Can you feel how the etheric of each hand bumps together in the gap between your hands, kind of creating this force field? Now, if that vibration fades, just rub your hands again to re-energize that etheric. Notice how your life force extends beyond your physical hands and fingers. In fact, this happens all over your body, where the etheric extends a little way beyond your physical. When your etheric gets depleted, it can leave you open to getting sick. Energy healers often work to restore the etheric to its full vibrancy, thereby restoring health. Acupuncture, for example, is one process that does this. Sometimes the best cure is simply to sleep, which enhances the restorative capacity of your energy. So that's a simple way to feel your etheric body. If you want to try this, I'd love to hear how this works for you. Please post a comment below sharing your experience. Now, if you enjoyed this video, take a look at our complete library of videos providing tips, techniques, and context to improve your meditation experience. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe to receive updates as they happen. Once again, thanks for watching.